For patients with a BMI greater than 25 but less than 35, measuring waist circumference can provide additional information about the patient's risk of complications from obesity. The first step is to ensure that the patient is in a private location, such as an exam room, and ask for permission to take a waist circumference.
Your waist circumference can be an important indicator of your health. Is it okay if I take a quick measurement of your waist circumference?
With the patient's permission, ask them to stand up in front of you and have them lift their shirt out of the way to visualize the top of the iliac crest. Have the patient locate the top of their iliac crest and verify the location by palpating. Place one end of a tape measure just above the top of the iliac crest. Have the patient hold this end of the tape measure in place. While you hold the slack of the tape measure, ask the patient to slowly make a 360-degree turn. Once they have turned 360 degrees, ask them to release the tape to you and relax their arms at their side. Ensure that the tape measure is parallel to the ground. The tape measure should be snug but should not compress the skin. Ask the patient to take a deep breath and exhale. Take the measurement at the end of the exhalation.